The Doogee S200X emerges as a powerhouse of performance, innovative design, and rugged durability. Its feature-packed configuration and futuristic aesthetics cater to tech enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. Here's an in-depth look at what makes this device a standout. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Unboxing. The Doogee S200X is an exciting experience, reflecting the premium nature of the product. The package includes Doogee S200X smartphone, screen protector, 33-watt fast charger, USB-C charging cable. At the heart of the Doogee S200X lies the Dimensity 7050 5G octa-core processor, delivering robust performance and seamless multitasking. Coupled with up to 32 gigabytes of RAM, 12 gigabytes onboard, plus 20 gigabytes extended, and 512 gigabytes internal storage, expandable up to an astounding 2 terabytes. The device ensures lightning-fast operations and vast storage capacity, perfect for both work and play. Android 14 enhances the experience with fluidity and security. Display innovation. The phone introduces a unique AMOLED 1.32-inch multifunction rear display, offering a 466x466 high-resolution experience. This rear screen combines functionality and aesthetics, featuring customizable dynamic and static dials. It serves as a secondary interactive interface, displaying time, notifications, and shortcuts for music control, camera access, and more. The primary 6.72-inch 2.4K display further enhances the viewing experience with its vibrant colors and clarity. Battery life. A massive 100 mAh battery, paired with 33W fast charging, ensures extended usage without interruptions. Whether for outdoor adventures or intense gaming sessions, this battery capacity minimizes downtime and maximizes reliability. Camera technology. Photography enthusiasts will be thrilled with the 100MP AI main camera, which employs the morpho imaging algorithm to produce detailed, vibrant shots across various modes: HDR, Pro Mode, Portrait, Beauty, and more. Complementing it is the 20MP night vision camera, offering excellent clarity in low-light scenarios, and a 20MP front camera for sharp selfies and video calls. Video enthusiasts can also enjoy 4K video recording for creating professional-grade content. Durability. Certified with IP68, IP69K, and MLSTD817H, the Doogee S200X can withstand water immersion, dust, and drops, making it the ultimate rugged device for extreme environments. Whether trekking through muddy terrains or braving rainy weather, this phone has you covered. Extra features: NFC with Google Pay, Morpho Super Night Mode, Morpho EIS Anti-Shake, the always-on display. The phone's futuristic design is available in 3 colors: Golden Guardian, Green Ranger, and Black Samurai, each exuding a unique personality. The Doogee S200X redefines rugged smartphones with its perfect blend of performance, durability, and innovative features. Whether you're an adventurer, a content creator, or someone looking for a reliable daily driver, the S200X is a versatile and stylish choice. From its 5G-ready processor to its multifunctional rear display and cutting-edge camera system, this phone is more than just a device. It's a statement. There is also a series of Product S200 available, which is different from ROM and colors. Welcome to click the links in the description to know more. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.